Across from my hotel, the Akron Waterfront Resort, I see the fishermen busy every morning coming in with their catch. And I thought it'd be kind of cool to make them something using Mr. Anthony's Goan sausages. In this recipe, it's all about the Goan sausage. First thing here is you just want to remove the meat from the casing. And you can really smell that toddy vinegar. There's lots of fat in here, so you don't want to add oil. Just a little bit of water to help it cook. For me, a classic frittata has to have potatoes. You want to put them into the pan first because they take the longest to cook. Chop up some onions. These are sweet peppers, red, yellow, green, just a rough chop. Look at that gorgeous color. A little bit of tomato right in. Now, I'm just gonna drop in the eggs. I'm not gonna beat them, just plop them in. And just a little bit of salt, not too much. Sausages have lots of flavor and are already seasoned. And some coriander for that nice fresh hit. Turn off the heat, and there you have it, a simple, hearty fisherman's frittata, Portuguese style.